All right, so this came in from a subscriber, and I am ecstatic. Let's take a look here. Oh. 12-inch Stargazer. Oh my goodness. I am excited and completely blown away. Get a little cow in the corn. Got a couple stickers, that's cool. A little Stargazer action there, that's nice. Comes with the care and use as I throw it away. So I'll read through this in a minute and see where we're at. But look at this. I don't know if y'all can see how smooth that is. Look at how smooth that is. Wow. Got a good long handle. Nice. Here's the Stargazer. Thank you to my subscriber who sent this. I'm ecstatic. I'm kind of beside myself. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't wait to get to use this. One thing I have noticed is this helper handle. Look how much room's in there. Wow. That's a lot. Get a good hold grip on this and carry. Whoa. Pretty lightweight compared to like a Lodge. I love it. Love it. Thank you, my friend. You are awesome. All right, so let's take a look at this Stargazer. Let's take a look at the handle. There to there's 8 inches. That's nice. The helper handle, about 1.75 inches. This spot here, about 1 inch. That's all right. Let's compare that to a regular Lodge. See the difference right off the bat. This is a pour spout all the way around, and this has got the 2 pour spouts. This here is about 1/2 inch, where that's 1 inch. This handle, there to there's under 5 inches, where this is 8. It's grooved right here for your thumb. Or, as my daughter pointed out, you could rest your wooden spoon in there. So there we go. And a 12-inch lid that goes for a Lodge enamel, which fits on a Lodge 12-inch. Does fit on the Stargazer. Nice and tight. Alright, so let's see what the Stargazer weighs. I have to kind of move it back just a little bit so I can see. There we go. 69.9. Alright. Now let's compare that to a Lodge. 12-inch. 80.3. Wow. Giggles, we're going to take this old gate marked SM company. You see it's got the ghost mark of H and Company Limited, Pitts, PA. This is about a 1870 to 1900 skillet. So let's check how light this is. Okay. And that says 5. Yep, 510. So the Stargazer's a lot lighter than the Lodge, but not as light as an old vintage one. And let's show, we did some cooking in this. So my daughter put it through the paces and made some bacon, egg, sausage, French toast, all that in there, and she loved it. The smooth surface. But this is the surface that they were trying to emulate off my gate mark here, and that's what they gave you. It's still splotchy, but I think it'll darken up really nice. But so far we love it.